Okay, so a factorial is represented with an exclamation point, right? So n factorial, right, is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 all the way to 1. For example, 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 120. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It's whatever that number is times itself times the number less than it times the number less than it until you get to 1. Or maybe you could stop it at 2, right? Because what difference will it make on the last multiplication? Nothing. Right? So that's what a factorial is. Now, you get down to 1 factorial. Well, you're already at 1, so it's just 1. But you wouldn't think of this one. 0 factorial is defined as 1. So if you come across a 0 factorial, you just say 1. And it doesn't make sense in terms of the way we define factorial. But when you see a 0 factorial, by definition, it's 1. Yeah. Well, I'm not going to give you something like this. You'll see the kind of things we do with it later. Okay. Well, so before I go turn off the recorder, you can do this in the calculator, right? The calculator, if you go to the math key, and then go over to the PRB right here, and look at number 4. That's factorial. So we don't need to struggle with calculations. We know we're no good at it. There's your 4 factorial.